Hello everyone. So it's been a hot minute since I made a video, and I thought I would do one today just to kind of update you guys on stuff that's been going on, and also I need to make a video because it's been over a month and I've definitely been neglecting the channel and kind of all of my platforms, really. And we're gonna talk about why. So I guess we'll address the biggest thing about where I've been. As you can see behind me, there is nobody on the couch, and there is nobody on the ottoman, there is nobody on the floor. So almost a month ago now, which is crazy to think that it's almost been a month already. As of June 2nd, it'll be a month. We did lose Ruger, and it's been the worst month of my life. He had been having an issue and just kind of slowing down a little bit prior to us knowing anything was wrong. But we figured he was just getting older. And then I was taking him on a walk and I noticed some blood in his stool, and there was some tissue in it, like not muscle tissue, but you know, like organ tissue or something. So I knew something was wrong, so we took him to the vet, and they ended up finding that he had cancer in his spleen, free floating in his abdomen, and also on his liver. And we had no idea that he was sick, because other than slowing down, he was really acting very normal. So he ended up getting surgery a few days later, and after that everything just kind of went downhill. He was having a lot of trouble healing. It was a really big surgery, and he just needed constant care. I took off work, and we had people here like helping us take care of him, like my parents and everything. And my grandma came down a bunch so that the days I had to go to work, he wasn't by himself. But basically he got rushed to the ER a few times, and we think ended up having a stroke and was not able to use his back legs. And with being such a big dog, that basically meant he couldn't get around at all. And then that slowly spread into his front, like the front half of his body. And after that, it was just very clear to us that he was not going to pull through. Like, this was going to be his constant state. So we decided to help him cross the Rainbow Bridge. But the day we went to do that, he actually ended up passing away on his own in the car with us there. So, you know, we're grieving, obviously. I have been unwell this entire month, trying to figure out what is life without my dog, because I mean, I've got Ruger in 2019, and he's been with me for all like my big adult moments. Like, I got him 2 weeks before I got married. I had him when I graduated college. I had him when I got my first, you know, big girl job, and I brought him to the apartment when I moved out of my parents. Like, all these big milestones he was there for, and now he's not here, and it sucks so bad, because I come home and obviously he's not here. I mean, like, you know, we have our cats, we have both cats still, and they're sad, and they don't get like where he went. They just know he was here one day and not the next. So that's been tough. Willow, who's like his best buddy, she's been okay. I mean, she definitely looks for him every once in a while, but I think they're just getting used to him not being here, just like the rest of us are. So yeah, I mean, I've also been working a ton, which has not helped with me getting videos out, but I haven't been doing anything. I've, you know, seen my friends a little bit, but I've definitely lost a lot of motivation to do things. I haven't been going to the gym as much. I haven't been reading really, even audiobooks. I just don't care. Because he was such a part of my daily routine. It's weird how much free time I have without him, or, you know, I don't have to clean the house all the time or find dog sitters for vacations and things. So it's all just very weird right now, trying to figure out what to do. But yeah, that's been obviously the most significant change, and the main reason that I haven't been doing anything. But now I'm trying to like get back at things, try and find joy again, because I mean, Rooks loved to be around me while I was filming, so I feel like I should. I did get him cremated. His ashes are actually like right over here on the couch right now. And our vet staff was incredible. Like, I cannot thank them enough. I'm so grateful to them because they did as much as they could. They went so above and beyond for him, and you can kind of see it right here. That's his paw print that they did for us, on an ornament. So we just hung it kind of in his toy spot. But we've been talking, and we will get another dog one day. I'm not forcing it, like I'm not actively looking, because we are going on vacation later this year, and I think it's just better that we wait till kind of things have settled down from that. And also, you know, I'm definitely not ready yet. Like, I miss having a dog. I went and played with my friend's dogs today, because she's out of town, and it was great to be around dogs again. I think just one day I'll be ready and I'll go to the shelter and I'll find, you know, my next buddy. On a lighter and more happy note, I have been getting things together for Halloween. I know it's only the end of May, however, it's never too early, you know, not in this house. So I've been collecting bits and pieces. I have a few. I think I figured out I have like 13 costumes ready to go right now. Like, I could film any of them right this second, or I at least have all the pieces for whatever I have to build for them together. So I am going to be starting that very soon, which is also why I wanted to get this video up, so that I have something not Halloween related to post before I start filming, you know, double duty, doing regular content and Halloween content. But I'm going to be bringing History of Horror back for this Halloween season. I have 4 or 5 lined up. I'm going to do like The Exorcist, now that that new movie has been out for a while. Frankenstein, because we got some new movies coming out there, which I haven't done that one yet. There's still quite a few that I haven't done yet, so yeah, might get through that. And yeah, there's a lot of fun costumes coming up, so I hope you all hang out with me till then. Okay, so I did my lashes and stuff. But yeah, I'm preparing for Halloween, started getting stuff in, gonna try and do that. I'm also trying to just like take advantage of the days off that I do have to do stuff and not wallow and waste them, because that's kind of what I've been doing. Not that taking my time and grieving is a waste by any means. But I do need to start like getting projects done that I want to get done, because otherwise I'll be scrambling. Plus we are going on vacation in October like we normally do, and I'll be doing a lot of vlogging there because we are going to Salem and I've never been, so give y'all a like rundown of what I think of everything. I have a list of stores I want to go to. The biggest one is like Nocturne. It's like a very eclectic store. They have like a library that you can buy books from, but they also have like metaphysical stuff and antiques. So, and we are driving, so I can, you know, get some like really big pieces as long as they fit in the car. And I plan on doing a lot of shopping there because really sightseeing and shopping is what it's all about, right? Yeah, some fun stuff coming. So, and today we planted our vegetable and fruit garden, so I'll have some stuff to show you guys from that too when I'm doing my reading vlogs. Like right now we have bell peppers, pickling cucumbers, onions, strawberries, lavender, basil, parsley, cilantro. I have some pumpkin seeds that I planted. There's a bunch of stuff out there. Mainly because we just don't want to spend a ton of money on groceries anymore. And groceries are like real expensive and produce is getting more expensive. So if we can grow it ourselves, we are gonna. Yeah, the garden will be hopefully flourishing by like next month or 2 months from now. Everything kind of pops up around the same time except the pumpkins. Those have a later harvest, so I'm excited to actually be able to like cook stuff that I've grown. I've already pulled some basil and cilantro and used that. So I'll just keep doing that because those were ready to go when we planted them. But yeah, just like finding little things that I can find happiness in right now is kind of my main goal. Cause you know, that's been the struggle. But yeah, this is my first time even, I think, putting on makeup since Roger's been gone. So it's been different. Like it's very quiet around here. I mean, even though the cats are still always wreaking havoc. Right now I'm in the middle of like 3 books. I'm reading like a nonfiction. I'm listening to Divine Rivals on audio, which everyone was kind of like, it's so good. It's like the best YA fantasy romance I've read. And I don't know, I'm not not enjoying it, but it's also not like the best book I've ever read. And I don't even know that I'll listen to the second one, but we'll see. I'm only like halfway through reading like an adult fantasy romance, and that too is just not giving me anything exciting. I think it's me and the author don't vibe, because it's Katie Robert and I've read a couple of her books before. A Worthy Opponent was pretty good, and so was Learn My Lesson. Learn My Lesson is definitely my favorite of hers, but I didn't end up finishing that series because I didn't like The Beast, and I didn't like, I don't even think I started the next one because I didn't enjoy it at all. I need to do like a deep like series, yes or no, like find all the series that I've started and decide, am I going to continue them or not? And if I'm not, then just call it and not worry about it. Books just come out so fast now. I feel like people are just writing whole series at a time and then just releasing the books, which is fine. Like, I like that idea because then you don't have to wait as long between books, but it feels like you don't really have much time to read them either. Also, the other big conundrum of life at the moment is my tripod broke. So I just have you on phone stand in front of my ring light, which is fine. The ring light keeps overheating because the base broke, and my neighbor's dog will not stop barking because he is a menace to society. Going for a lot of highlight here, like glazed donut to the max with this. Lips, I'm still probably gonna do a matte lip because who am I to wear a gloss? All right, I think this is actually a satin lip, so it's perfect. But this is it. This is the first look of summer. I hope you guys are having a good, you know, like May. This little dog, I swear, he's gonna have a heart attack one day. You know, I hope you guys are having a better month than I am. And I will see you guys in the next one very, very soon. Okay, goodbye.